Beer is pretty awesome. And we all know that beer tastes best, fresh from the tap, with the perfect amount of carbonation and texture. But in order to reach the masses, beer is sold in cans and bottles worldwide. And unfortunately for us beer lovers, it just doesn't taste as good as it does fresh from the tap. Until now. Introducing WayTap. WayTap has been developed to deliver that fresh from the tap experience no matter where you are. Whether you're at the barbecue, dinner party, sporting event, or camping trip, or wherever you enjoy beer, WayTap delivers the best possible beer drinking experience. With our patented Fizzics technology, when you pull the tap handle forward, the beer is poured under pressure to maintain the carbonation in the body of the beer. And when you push the handle backwards, the beer passes through our sonic oscillator, which creates an ideal density foam that provides the rich, smooth, full-body texture of an authentic draft beer. We don't use any gas, chemicals, or additive, just thoughtful science and a passion for making beer taste the way the brewmasters intended. Last year, we introduced our first generation product to the market through crowdfunding, and the response was overwhelming. Not only we found an audience for our product, but we also found a community of people who are really passionate about beer the same way we are. Since then, we built a small team and have been all over the country meeting with backers, customers, and brewers, hearing directly from them about how much and why they love Fizzics. With our new WayTap draft beer system, we set out to build a more portable and affordable design, so beer lovers and beer novices alike can enjoy the flavor and taste of authentic draft beer at home or anywhere. We're coming back to the crowdfunding community with our new product because we want to put it in the hands of beer lovers who are the most passionate.
At the end of the day, we're people just like you who love beer and the community around it.
Well, thank you for your support. Cheers.
Cheers.
Introducing Groove Band, the first truly breathable watch band, offered in never-before-seen designs that help you stand out in a crowd. Breathable grooves keep you comfortable and dry. Air flows in and moisture flows out. Groove's ultimate comfort arch reduces skin contact. It is the only band with inner grooves that keeps your skin dry and comfortable. Here at Groove, we are always innovating. Not only are we bringing you the first breathable watch band with exclusive patterns, what we're really excited about is our new 3D dimension designs. Following the success of our dimension rings, we discovered that the watch bands are a perfect canvas for these textures. Working in 3 dimensions allows us to explore designs that were never before possible and endless options for the future. Offered in exclusive patterns and designs that make your band as unique as you. Groove bands make a statement about who you are.
A smartphone that fits in the palm of your hand. This is Jelly, the world's smallest 4G smartphone. It's hard to imagine a world without smartphones, but with performance, also the sizes were increasing. And sometimes we just wish to have a smaller phone. So we developed Jelly, bringing you all the convenience and performance of other smartphones packed in a case as small and portable as possible. Jelly fits into any pocket without compromising on features. It is the perfect phone for travel or outdoor sports, or simply great as a backup phone. With the dual SIM card slots, you can easily manage work and personal calls. By taking advantage of the powerful Android Nougat system, you can get the ultimate user experiences on talking, texting, watching videos, tracking sport trails, and using your favorite apps. Jelly has 2 cameras ready to capture any moments or even taking perfect selfies. The battery is replaceable and fully charged, lasts up to 3 days working time or 7 days standby time. Our goal was to design a great mini-sized smartphone that is smaller and lighter than anything on the market, but also supports 4G network. We focused on so many details for a maximum performance, while also going through many design and testing stages just to ensure the jelly is reliable and looks awesome for everyone. In order to get jelly alive, we need your support. Please join us and let's make jelly become real.
We are surrounded by technology. It's entering our homes and helping us automate daily tasks. But I find myself thinking there has to be a more natural and accessible way to control the devices around us. If the goal of automation is to simplify our lives, why does it feel so complicated? Our goal as a company is to solve this. Say hello to Knocki. Knocki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Knocki couldn't be easier. You simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Knocki to do. Knocki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination.
There you go. Thanks a lot. Sorry.
Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Knocki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Knocki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Knocki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Knocki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
The beauty of our product is that it makes any regular environment into a user interface. Think about the surfaces around you. So many of them serve one or two purposes. Add a Knocki to them and you instantly have a hub for automation. We carefully chose every material and finish for Knocki. We've gone through a series of different tests and prototypes to make sure that Knocki blends in your environment and also looks beautiful on your surfaces.
We're doing our first production runs here in the USA because it's important for our entire team to be there on the ground floor, ensuring that we're manufacturing the best possible product. We're excited to bring Knocki to Kickstarter. It's not some far-fetched idea. We've finalized our designs, we have a beautiful working prototype, and we need to raise funds to actually get it into production and immediately start shipping them to your door. We couldn't be more excited about how this product is going to change lives and bring joy to people everywhere. Knocki accomplishes what technology is supposed to do. Instead of taking over our life, it enhances it, allowing you to put more thought and effort into the things that really matter. Tap into the world around you with the magic of Knocki.
If you could build your own robot, what would it be? If you had all the robotics tools you needed, what would you create? This is MIND KIT. It's the first all-in-one robotics developer kit with the software and hardware to get started with robotics. MIND KIT has 3 core modules. The Cerebrum is a single-board computer where you control the robot's sensing and decision-making. The servo controller helps create and control movement. You can easily connect up to 20 servo motors simultaneously. MIND KIT's high-capacity battery is built specifically for robot functionality. Our operating system, MIND OS, is purpose-built for coding robots. What can you create? MIND KIT features advanced capabilities like LiDAR SLAM, so it can map indoor space in real time. So if you want a robot that recognizes people and gives them a hug,
Okay, robot. Pass the salt.
one that responds to commands,
Pass the hot sauce.
or whatever kind of robot, you can make it happen. And those are just the basics. With our open source MIND SDK, you can develop your own skills. There's no ceiling on what you can create. MIND KIT. Can you robot?
Hello Kickstarters! I'm Sang-eun Chang, the CEO and designer of YOLK. I first want to thank all the supporters of our first solar project, Solar 8. Following the success of the Solar 8, this year we are coming back to present new solar paper, the thinnest and lightest solar charger in the world. Let's take a look.
Solar paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
We are so proud of that we've come this far. But to meet the price point for more people, we need your support and green. We truly believe that the solar technology can relieve the battery problem we face every day and contribute to making the world greener. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy the sunshine.